Good evening. This is a tutorial how to use Scenic. I will make small videos to show you how you can improve your GPS navigation while riding your motorcycle. Scenic unfortunately is only available on iOS, so you cannot use it if you have an Android phone or any other operating system. So as you can see on my phone, I have the Scenic app. I am going to click on it and this will open up my Scenic app. This is a short tutorial and I will show you this phone. You can use it in both ways, horizontal or your normal phone value. Now, there are several buttons over here on this screen. I will start from the left side. The left top side, when I click on it, it will give me several different chapters over here. I will start from the top. On the top, you will see your photo or your name on it. Once you click on this, it will bring some information like this. It will have your photo if you like to do that, your name, the region where you live or where you normally ride, the number of rides, the distance that you have done this year, your average speed, maximum speed, and different information over here. This is for you. Now, I will come back to it where this information gets saved because someone asked me last time, whenever they complete a ride, what happened by saving the ride? Whenever you save a ride, there's a bunch of statistics comes down. But before we go down there, I wanted to go from the top to the bottom. As you can see on the top over here, in the middle right here, the Explorer Extendorier, whatever, I cannot pronounce that name. But anyway, when you click on this one, it will give you points and levels of what you are. This is totally up to you. If you are a person who cares about what is your rating compared to your other fellow Scenic users. I don't really read that one. It's not important to me. However, below that, it's called statistics. When you click on the statistics, you will see your yearly number of rides, monthly, weekly. You can click on that one. It will give you some information. Last year, I rode 5,066 miles, which I think it's incorrect. It was 10,000 miles, but a lot of those miles, I did not save them on Scenic. So obviously, I did not get credit for that. Same thing over here. This year, I have, last year was 68, 62. Again, like I said, it was incorrect. This year is the 5,066 miles and bunch of other information. Below that, you will see premium and offline maps. When you click on this one, this will give you basically information about your what type of program that you have. I have a premium, meaning I buy a yearly. I did not purchase for life. I have a 30 credits. I have 6 offline maps. Now, what are the credits? Whenever you sign up for Scenic, the Scenic will give you 20 credits to start with. With those credits, you can buy the maps and you can start the ride. Every time you ride, you have to use 1 credit for that. But if you have a premium plan, then you do not have to waste your credit. However, to buy the maps, you will have to use credits. When you click on the credits, it will give you the price of the credits. If you like to purchase, you can purchase them from right over here. However, below that, when you click on the offline maps, over here you have the option to purchase maps. Whenever the maps are uploaded, it will tell you what states maps do you have and if you need to delete them or if you haven't updates and you haven't downloaded them or if you need to purchase more states. To purchase any state in America, you need to click on North and Central America. Once you click on that, it will give you an option. You can purchase the entire map with 75 credits or you can purchase by state using those credits that I just mentioned to you earlier. Now, going back there, on the bottom, you have your Apple subscription and redeem stuff like that. You don't need that one. However, all the way in the bottom chapter over here in the account, here you can change the name of your account. You can change your name to whatever name that you like to use, the region, your email, and you can change your passwords. So this was the chapter today first about using your account information. I will make several other videos on different